Hey everybody, welcome to the Your Life Blueprint Sound Vibrations. I'm Gandharva, and please share these videos, these daily videos, so we can get everybody feeling the vibes and getting to know themselves. Getting to know you. Also, feel free to make a contribution if you are able. That is very much appreciated. Today is Tuesday, and it is the Warrior Day. Warrior means willpower. It's the day where you decide to do something you really don't want to do, something you've been putting off. I've been doing that every Tuesday now. I made that my Tuesday practice, to do something I really don't want to do. Schedule that dentist appointment. Mow the lawn. Try that today. That's a big test of your willpower. How strong a warrior are you? And where do you have the warrior? In your own blueprint. Could be anywhere. It's a powerful day, though. It's a get things done day. Yeah. I got on my warrior shirt, which is from the movie Ghost Dog, which is all about how to be a spiritual warrior. Well, it's all about being a spiritual warrior. Anyway. And I'm going to read today from someone who is a spiritual warrior, Don Miguel Ruiz, who wrote, among other books, his most well-known one, The Four Agreements. Four Agreements. And I've done his blueprint, I've seen his blueprint, and he actually is a spiritual warrior. And that's what he speaks about in all of his books. So I'm going to read from him today, and I'm going to play the vibrations of the day. So strap in, get ready. It's a powerful day. Nothing others do is because of you. What others say and do is a projection of their own reality, their own dream. When you are immune to the opinions and actions of others, you won't be the victim of needless suffering. You will find that you don't need to trust others as much as you need to trust yourself to make the right choices. What's the best way to write your life story? There is only one way, and that way is with love. Love. Death is not the biggest fear we have. Our biggest fear is taking the risk to be alive. The risk to be alive and express what we really are. That's right. It's risky to know your blueprint. It's risky to express your blueprint, express who you are. But really, it's the only thing you can do. Anything else causes stress. Hiding yourself, pretending to be somebody you're not, something you're not. Stress, stress, stress. I pretended for years to be other people, other things. Stress, 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 stress. Very stressful. Don't make assumptions. Ask questions. Find the courage to ask for what you want. Others have the right to tell you yes or no, but you always have the right to ask. Likewise, everybody has the right to ask you for what they want, and you have the right to say yes or to say no. We can only know who we really are when we allow ourselves to let go of the stories we've created to define us. In other words, let go of our conditioning, right? What other people have told us about us, that we believe, we take on, what we have told ourselves, the lies we have told ourselves. With faith, we can conquer fear and jump into the unknown, which leads us into a journey of awareness, of truth, of happiness. A feeling of anger, anxiety, or fear is often an indicator that something is out of line between your attached beliefs and your inner truth. Attached beliefs, again, conditioning. Inner truth, your blueprint, who you're meant to be in this world. So take on some difficult task today. See how it transforms you. You can also say, I connect with the warrior in my blueprint. I connect with the warrior in my blueprint.